Another new feature in IronCAD 2021 is the ability to create an extrude on a connected edge. For example, this is a part of a mold that we want to remove from a solid block, and notice we'll need to have some sort of way to extend this through the solid block to do a Boolean remove, for example. So let's go ahead and use the extrude command found under our home or feature ribbon bar. If you go to the extrude command, and we'll go ahead and add this to our part, and what you can see is a new option called Add Connected Boundary Edges. So the first thing we want to do is just select an edge. We'll just go ahead and pick this particular edge, and then add this option here to Add Connected Boundary Edges. What that will ask is for a selected direction. What direction do you want the extrude to go, for example? In our case, we're going to pick this face for it to extrude downwards or upwards if you reverse it. But in our case, we're going to go down because we want to extend this down a little ways so that we can actually build a block inside of here and cut this out to have our removal for our mold. So you can see that it actually goes through the connected edges and will build the complete solid model for us. So we'll go ahead and create that. We can see that that was created automatically for us. Now we can add our feature, for example, a block. We can just drag and drop it out here, and I'll drop it as a part. And I'll use some of our tools here to just extend this out. I'll quickly extend this out in this direction, pull it up through our part, for example, and then pull our bottom one up just a little way so it's inside of our mold, so we can see that it's actually being cut inside of there. We can pull this out a little bit more if we want to do this, or cut it back. Either way, we can just use that as a starting point for our mold removal process inside of here. I'll just pull that a little bit, and this will use our command. We'll say this is our solid, this is what we want to remove, and using our Boolean command we can actually do a removal inside of there and hit OK. And we can see now we have our removal part inside of there that was automatically cut with those extended surfaces. So a very nice handy feature that can be used to extend around all connected edges to help do things like the Boolean remove or subtraction for building molds, for example.